Greetings. This tutorial is going to show you how to set up HappyBrackets on your computer. Basically, I'm going to be following the steps on the GitHub wiki page, which is listed at the bottom of the video. First thing we need to do is to install the Java 8 development kit. Just follow the link on the wiki page. We're going to assume you don't have Java 8 installed on your computer. So go to the Java 8 download page. Click the link at the bottom of the page and you'll be directed straight to it. You'll need to select the correct version of the JDK for your system. I'm running on a Mac, so I'm going to download the Mac version. If you're running Windows or Linux, select the 32-bit or 64-bit version that's appropriate to your system. You'll need to run the installer and follow the prompts. After you finish installing the JDK, go back to the wiki page and click Next. Now we're going to download and install the community version of IntelliJ. When IntelliJ is finished downloading, install it to your computer. Now that we've installed IntelliJ, we need to configure the Java development kit. The wiki page shows how to do that, but I'll go through it here to show you how easy it is. Click on Configure, Project Defaults, and then Project Structure. Here's where we configure the JDK. Click on SDKs and click the plus symbol, JDK. We need to navigate to the folder where the Java development kit has been installed to. On a Windows machine, it might look like this. Click on the Open button and you'll see the files displayed. Click Apply and then OK. Go back to the wiki page and we're on to the next step. Now we need to download the HappyBrackets development kit. We can see that the HappyBrackets developer kit has been stored in our downloads location. From IntelliJ, click on Configure, Plugins. Click on Install Plugin from Disk and navigate to where you downloaded the developer kit. Click on the plugin and click Open. Now restart IntelliJ. It's probably a good idea to copy your developer kit to somewhere that's more permanent on your computer. Let's say your Documents folder. From IntelliJ, click Open, navigate to Documents, where your HappyBrackets development kit, and click on the HappyBrackets project. Don't click on the HappyBrackets project.iml, just click on the folder and click Open. That's it. You've now installed the HappyBrackets development kit on your computer.